Yeah, man, Dr. Love believed in Nigy boy. I don't know nothing about Dr. Love life. General B, big up yourself, General B. If you can remember this, General B, in the studio yard.
Shout out to the St. Thomas crew, the Port Maran crew, them they all part of him.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yeah, man, a blessed good morning, you know. Yeah, first day back at school for the warrior, them, you see me? I don't know the man of peace. That's it. Yeah, man, say good morning.
Good morning, subscribers.
Yeah, man, say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to everyone here.
Live in love.
Live in love as well.
Peace.
And peace.
Equality.
Equality.
Diversity.
Diversity.
Equity.
Equity.
Empathy.
Empathy.
Love.
Love.
Unity.
Unity.
And big up your two brothers in America, Aiden and Jaden. Big time up, my man.
Big up Aiden and Jaden.
Yeah, man, say love you, brother.
Love you, brother.
And big up your sister to Jade.
Big up your sister to Jaden.
Alright, yeah, man. Love is the way. That's it. Yeah. The gate is open. You want to go that way?
No, this way. Okay.
Huh?
I want to go this way.
Go on. Go this way. Yeah, man. Good morning. Good morning. Viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, you know, they're alive. Right on the battlefield, you know. Love and unity. Big up the mothers and the fathers, and big up the youths, them, you see me? Yeah, man. Happy New Year once more. You know, I love we say, you know. I will keep it real on the battlefield, you know. Big up my lovers and the haters, the supporters and the non-supporters, them. Yeah, man. See, we're there. Can't to use my phone at the school, but you know, we work with the energy and the vibe. Nah, cut it, you see me? Yeah, man, you see it? Later, yeah?
Welcome back, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Ralph. Silver, Happy New Year. I'm live. So
Yeah, and you're on top.
come on, say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning
To the world.
This is good morning to the world. This
Yeah.
is the school where this young man's beautiful children attend,
Right,
and
oh,
they're
yeah.
amazing boys.
Yeah, so the prince, that's Ed Mrs. as well. Yeah. Sim, do you want to say, do you want to shout out to anyone back home?
Oh, shout
back
out!
home.
Oh,
Where you
Lord!
from?
Shout out to the St. Thomas crew, the Port Maran crew. Them they all part of him. We should never forget. Yeah, my cousin
Come on here, man, 'cause you can see.
Roseanne. Roseanne is his cousin Sim. And I don't know if Genevieve's on the line. Genevieve, she done her arm, she done her respiratory ill. Woo!
Yeah, all right. See you later, yeah? Yes, man, so that's the school. Huh? It's cool, isn't it? Ah, yeah, bit out there. Cool front. Yes, man, so I took a chance and then work with it. Normally, I'm not allowed to use phone at the schools. You see what I say? Well, yeah, man, you know, we keep it real on the battlefield in our love. Right now, I got the gym. Or should I say the leisure center? No, not the gym, I go, you know. Gym, you know, me old school, but I'm no old fool. Yeah, but where am I there now? Yeah, so where am I there now? Yeah, man. There, you know. Big up my fans up on the platform. You know, I am a Ricky, you know. Lion-foot over there. I try to do the right thing, you know. Cool front. People, you go check out my song named Cool Front. Released a couple weeks ago, you know. Cool, England cool in Oxford dish. If you think say you like January, book a trip. You see me? Yeah, man. Cool, but gym, me I go, you know, I've been gym for like weeks. Slacking, you know. Drinking and eating, and you know, Christmas period. You see me, but yeah. First day back at the gym now after a while. See, what am I there now? Where was the meditation? Yeah, man, love of the way, man. I don't remember what I talk about again, but yeah. Love, man, love and unity. We see him, big up the fans on the platform, all about love. And please consider to like and share the content, subscribe, click the bell. You see me? So we see a looking thing going on with Nigy boy and Dr. Love and Footer Hype. Big up Footer Hype, my general, big up Dr. Love. don't know Dr. Love, but you know, he's a very outspoken person and always a back and forth with other people as well. But me not have time for that. See, what I am here to say is I admire what he did for Nigy boy. You see me? Because cool, you know. I remember, I can recall the first time when Dr. Love, I was on his live and I remember when him saying find an artist. Yeah, I remember when him saying find an artist. He found the artist and him blind. And after hearing him and I said, yeah boy, Nigy boy can't sing, you know. But and this was before COVID, I think. You see me? Bloody hell. But yeah, cool, you know? Cool. But me now cut it, you know, I keep switching hands, you see me? But yeah, I can recall and it comes to now 2020-24, if you see, Nigy boy, find a hit song, Continent. You see me? Yeah, big up Russian too because Russian make it possible. Russian make it possible because him lick back the Go-Go Club rhythm. I did that song on the Go-Go Club rhythm when it just released. Girl, I'm gonna do you right, do you right, do you right, do you right. Morning, noon and night, I'm gonna play. And get Wallipah mixtape it go up on. I remember when they chop back Zine and the song I play upon enough mixtape. Play upon radio. You see me? And thing on General B, big up yourself General B. If you can remember this, General B. In the studio yard. Big up DJ Kenny too. And all of the youths them who put the song on mixtape. I never me give them the song, they just morning, happy new year. The song is just good. And everybody put it on the mix. Same like when Miss Elise Kelly, I play my song and she never did even know me. Zine. Enough people hear my song and never know me till I go to Jamaica. Big up Sexy Danger too, you know, because I see she do the right thing at Jamaica. So go. Jamaica is the home of dancehall. If you want to boss, you have to go to Jamaica, go put in the work. Zine, but yeah, big up DJ Kenny and all of the warrior them who would play the song and put it on their mixtape. And you see me? The disc jockey them who was playing it on the radio without me sending it to them. Zine, so I did the studio yard one day in the yard and the song I play. I think the song I play on the radio too, you know. If I'm not lying. And General B, Harry Toddler, all of them in the yard, Beanie Man. You see me? Lexus, Chuckback. You see me? Big up Adrian and Steve. And General B say, yo, that song your body, you know? You see me? Richie feelings in the yard too. You see me? And General B say, you sing it for true? I say, yeah man. You see me? Hey, I twice now, I sang them, you know. I see when time who feels it knows, you know, me at the studio you have the cable and them a grand spend, you know. And the song I play and nobody, why should I play the song and everybody I said that song you go boss, you know. Even the PR when I did that work with, you know. And nobody knows I mean at the yard that sing who feels it knows, you know. And after a while, the whole crowd, everybody see me and I say, when Casper said, see the artist here, man. And Casper said, see the artist here, makeup artist, everybody I say, Allah, and the whole grand spend, when them see me now, them I say, people them live at grand spend say, yes, I am for true. I am for true. We see him on TV. And plus me did fully bad. They didn't invite me got a fully bad birthday party and we got shell it down in our grand spend there. You see me? So the whole grand spend I say, I am for true and the rest was history, but we have setbacks. We're not gonna go back on that because I know we share the journey and the story about that already. But yeah, when me in the yard now, General B I say, yo, them telling me I beat my turban, you know. Them telling me I have my locks and I beat my turban. You see me? And thing and General B say, yo, I'm if you sing that song, you know. You go too hard for a Rasta man, you know. You see me? Because me have a next song I say, me a one boy, no girl can't roll me. No girl can't use them head and fool me. You mad? No waste girl can't clone me. Not even try use them head and go round me. Girl, you hold me. Them telling she won't lamp on me and she no want let it go. I rhythm the remove all of the depth. I can't remember the rhythm them, but yeah. I know them time as a young artist, me did just record myself and I put up my song them and you know what I mean? Promotional. But did I get good feedback? But anyway, when General B said that, Richie Feelings said to him, Richie Feelings, pick up yourself and I can confirm this. Richie Feelings said to him, say, Lord, the youth, encourage the youth to go harder. You see me? I tell him, don't tell the man if you sing. You see me? That was Richie Feelings' word. You see me? And Richie Feelings running program. I say, where you come from? I say, I pay land, man. You see me? I make 2 calls to 2 of the killy them. You see me? And Richie Feelings say, yeah, you know artist name I American. And them say, yeah man, how are you, man? Look how far I'm good. Richie Feelings I say, yeah man, I'm good, man. And from there, so, different respect gone up again at the streets. See? But anyway, I'm back to the argument now. Yeah man, Dr. Love believed in Nigy boy. I don't know nothing about Dr. Love life, in background or whatever. I'm gonna know say come say meet the buff. You see me? So I don't know nothing about him life. See, all I know say, I remember when he said you know, him found an artist, which is Nigy boy, and from then to now, Nigy boy found the song Continent. And look on that now, man a tour now. So things can change. I'll take a somebody if you believe in it, you know. Enough time I get down and depressing and I say, John will start. No support, no love. Ones and ones give me some support, but a part-time support. If I not fork out the money when I have. You see me? 6 youth me get. And thing, and you know, one of them are adult now. I'm still in control of the 5 of them. I feel fund them and I look after them when I can and balance it. When get that week, I get the next week. Or some deal with me with them. So I can splash out everything for music. I have to balance it, and when I can fund it, I fund it. You see me? Yeah man, so all it takes is for someone to believe and support and stay with you until the journey comes, you know? And the success comes. When the success comes, who are watching you struggle and fight and them thing there, I mean I talk friends and families. And them you go see I run in. See? Them you go see I run in. I'm gonna see it happen time and time again. That's what I say. So now Dr. Love has invested a lot in Nigy boy. When I say invested, I don't know how much money he spent, but I know say he's a manager artist, so he have to spend. You see? If you get promotion and them thing there. I remember Nigy boy cannot see. But me overall, me just happy for Nigy boy. For what is success come forward now and him get him shows them and bookings. And the man sang bad. The song hit. Continent. Once again, big up Russian for remaking the rhythm. You know, me do a song on the rhythm too, and I know it wasn't gonna get approved. You see, because several times I do remix and challenge pan you know, artists, songs and rhythm and no acknowledgement. So, but what I say now, anybody want to jump on the rhythm, the striptease rhythm, all who got denied from Russian are no acknowledgement like myself, yeah. Check out the striptease video and make a whole vibe. You see me I say, if it sound good, I will authorize it. You see me? But yeah man, the end of the day, I love my unity, we say man. Love, unity, respect, empathy. And we got the whole St. Thomas, the whole Manchester, Pewsey Hill, Zine, Mandeville. I'm family them forward from, you know? Kingston 11, 12, 30, whole Jamaica. I love man. Whole Jamaica. I notice me a boy, me always speak my mind and me cannot be biased. I take side because, you know, don't care how much me respect you. If me see say certain things where you say rare, me I go give my opinion on it. That doesn't mean me don't rate you. That doesn't mean I don't rate you or respect you. I'm just being true with my inner self. You see it? But anyway, I love my respect, man. I love my respect. And to all the artists, them, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Nobody tell you say you can't do it or doubt you. Don't watch you not support you. Keep going, keep going, keep going. One day, things will change. And you would just say, one day things must get better. I don't know if you know. Blessed love.